Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make delicious deviled eggs. This is a really simple, easy deviled egg recipe. In fact, it's my mom's recipe. Every time she gets invited somewhere, they always have her bring this as an appetizer. I don't know if it's because bitches be lazy or it's just really, really tasty. I think it's super tasty, and I think you will too, so let me show you how to make it. To start making these spooky deviled eggs, the first thing we're gonna do is add water, cold water, to a dozen eggs. You want to cover the eggs by about 1 inch of water. That's almost there. Okay, now we're going to add in a little bit of vinegar. Now we're just going to turn this up to high to bring the water to a boil. Okay, so now that it's boiling, we're going to turn the power off, cover the eggs, and remove them from the burner. And just let the eggs sit covered for 10 minutes. After the eggs have sat and cooked, you immediately want to stop them from cooking. I do this by running the pan under cold water, and then I add ice to the pan and let it cool. Once the eggs have cooled, I then fill the pan up with the warmest water that I can stand to touch. I'm going to actually peel the eggs underwater. It makes it the easiest way to remove the shell. Okay, so I'm just gonna peel the eggs. Doing it underwater really helps. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and cut our eggs in half. So I have our egg yolks here. Just wanna go ahead and mash these up. There you go. Okay, add in our mayo. Add in our mustard, and just start mixing it together. This is my mom's deviled egg recipe. It's super simple, but it's so good. Just salt and pepper it to taste. And I just have a Ziploc bag here that I've trimmed the ends off of, and I'm just gonna fill each egg with the batter. I guess batter is the wrong word, with the filling. There we go, that's the right word. Just fill them all in. And we're just gonna top it off with a little paprika. You can also use chili powder. Just a little bit on each one. And then they're ready to serve. Right? Super easy. Just a few ingredients, like 3 to 4, and super tasty. Also, if you like to cook like I do, hey, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. If you like this one, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. I'll see you guys next time.